And now at the Hyatt, I'm going to have my breakfast with my roommate. And what we have here, we have a breakfast, quite a lot of variety. We have vada, we have bread, and we have prata, and we have dosa. Good, awesome. What else we have here? We have drinks. We have a Western food. We have a fruit salad. We have pancake. Okay, while I'm going to have my breakfast. Good morning. Here is my Royal Enfield buddies here. I enjoy breakfast. Right. Let's see what I'm going to have and get back to you. How is the food like going to be? Hi guys, welcome back to FoodieAdventurerRider. We are doing a trekking on the gear and the Himalayan Odyssey, and you can see here they are checking their gears. The riders have to bring their gears and checking all those things. Hey buddy, how are you? Good. Yes, all the way. And these guys are checking, and these are, I think, doctors. My roommate is here, and I hope these are the masters of the helmet safety things done, and these couples are still sorting out, I believe. So next I'll be doing my check. Let my buddy go in first, and then I will do my things. Okay, see you guys. Okay, this is my Snow White. The technician is doing a check before the ride, checking the suspension, checking the ignition, checking the signal lights. Brake light working, signal light working. Okay, this is the Snow White. Will be with me during the next 20 days. And you can see all the bike are being checked. And this is a guy from the South India. This guy is a South Indian from Chennai. Indian. Okay. Okay. Then this checking the bike. It's a 70 over bike. Okay. Some with the fog lights, some with tubeless tires. They are about 40 over Himalayan, and this is the new bike. That's why they have the flowers, garland, something like that. And some bike with the Pioneers with the back box. So this is the officials who checking, make sure the bike is passed. And this is Pankaraj, and this is gentleman is Varun. Okay, these two guys are the pain in the ass, checking all the bike, everything. Here you can see some more bikes are here. They are checking here, and here we have a lady rider. This
Both
is
of us.
this is the Indu,
Yeah.
and this is
Pratima.
Praxima. Okay, we have 2 here and 2 more to come.